I just got this in the mail and I am so excited to check this out. Take a look at what we got right here. I finally received my Nuphy Air 75 keyboard and I'm so excited to finally open it up and share with you my unboxing experience. This video is not sponsored. I have personally purchased this using my own money, and if you'd like to grab your own copy, be sure to check out the links in the description bar down below if you're interested. With that said, let's get into the unboxing of my Nuphy Air 75 keyboard. Let's go ahead and check out this bad boy. The very first thing that we got is the Nuphy Wrist Rest. Oh, check that out. It looks so slick. It feels like I'm getting a Christmas present way in advance, but Nuphy Studio Mono Wrist Rest for Air Series keyboard. It looks so slick. Overall, very impressed. Check that out. It's nice. It feels very smooth. It has that acrylic texture and acrylic look. I love the white texture. It just looks very premium and it feels very solid. Very solid material. And you can see that it just looks clean. Looks clean cut. And it's also see-through, so it's really nice. Really excited to level up my desk setup with this wrist rest. Pretty cool, right? Drum roll, please. This is the fun part that we've all been waiting for. Dun 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 dun! All right, I mean, just look at the box. It's so nicely designed. It's nice to have nice things. So, Air 75 keyboard, 16mm ultra thin design, 2500 battery, low profile mechanical switches, ultra thin PBD keycaps, flowing RGB side light. I'm excited. In the words of John Legend, this is so dope. I love their hashtags. Innovating, not imitate. Designed by Nuphy Studio in Shenzhen. I haven't even opened the box yet and I'm just impressed with the overall design and just how it looks. On the side we have some key features: low delay, low profile, lightweight, and 75% layout. So in general, I really love the design of the packaging. When we flip it over to the side and the back, pretty nice artistic sketch, you know. It has a lot of reminiscence to the anime style. What I love about it is it kind of shows the exploded view of all the components of the keyboard itself. So you have the keyboard, the electronic stuff that's inside, and then plus the little key buttons. Hiya! Apologize if my unboxing is not oops. All right, let's open it. I'm ready. Oh! That looks sick. What a cool cover. Let's flip it to the back. Looking not too shabby so far. I'm telling you, it's all about the unboxing experience. Dun 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 dun. All right, so we have the quick guide and then we have the keyboard itself. And then on the side we have, it looks like underneath this might be the key switches. So we got the cable, we have all of these little key switches and plus the magnetic feet. Can't forget about this guy to remove any of the keycaps, and then the magnetic feet, and then some extra key buttons. We've got the keyboard, the quick guide, the cable, the feet, plus the other key switches. All right, let's take a look at the guide. So they actually give you some stickers that are based on the artistic design from the cover itself. These are the stickers. And here we have the quick guide to use the Nuphy keyboard. By the way, I don't know if I'm saying it right. Is it Nuphy or Nuphy? Here are all the instructions and looks pretty good. And then on the back is the poster artwork that's reminiscent from the one that's on the cover itself. Nuphy, innovate, not imitate. Looks pretty cool. So we'll definitely keep that. Then we have the cable. I'm assuming this is for charging it to your laptop. The remover, the magnetic feet, and then the extra key buttons. And then we have the other extra buttons for the final moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my goodness. Doesn't the design look really, really sleek and kind of like, it has that modern slash sleek kind of look. I just love the look of it. I don't know, it kind of separates itself from other kind of colors and looks, and that was one of the biggest reasons why I liked it, because of the color and the look. So on the back, right, I love that you can actually see through the actual keyboard, and then you have the stands. Let's put on the magnetic feet. This. Ah, very nice. And then it just slides right on. The feet literally just slide on, and it's actually kind of magnetic. Are you guys ready to type on it? Let's hear what it sounds like. How satisfying is that? I seriously feel like a little kid all over again. Just the colors and the feel, it just feels so satisfying to type on this keyboard. I mean, you have to try it out yourself. Seriously. What I love about the keyboard is it's not super loud, but it also has this like tactile feel where you can actually feel the keys, and the sound is actually very satisfying. So now the ultimate test is, what does it look like with Nuphy's Wrist Rest, which I got the frosted version. Dun, da, da, da. Oh yeah. I feel like the color just remind me of like a video game, like SNES kind of vibes, like Zelda, Link. Oh, so cool. It feels like butter. So that's my Nuphy Air 75 keyboard with the wrist rest. What do you guys think of the Nuphy keyboard along with the wrist rest? Let me know your comments in the comments down below. I hope you gained a lot of value out of this video. And if you want to grab your own Nuphy keyboard, be sure to check out the links in the description bar down below. I'm so excited to finally grab my own copy, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it even more. So be sure to check out the links, and I'll see you guys in the next video.